This is your Fly Rod Chronicles Time for Education, presented by the state of West Virginia.
So for anyone that's fished 12 months out of the year, you've ran into this, and we're going to give you a little tip. Your eyelets freezing, it's a game changer, and it can put a stop to your fishing. So we're going to give you a little tip, and I'm going to break out another rod and show you how to change this real quick. All right, so simple tip, game saver, chapstick. I guess that's like saying tissue. So we're not, we're not sponsored by a brand or anything, but just applying some chapstick to your eyelets prevents the freezing up of each one of your eyelets. And you do that all the way through, it won't freeze up, and 12 months out of the year, you're fishing. Also works on your lips. I don't know if you heard that before either. And that's our West Virginia tip.